Okay, so here's the backside of a 3-bolt, 3-jaw chuck. So the trick is it's pretty easy to find your first point, but how do you find the other two accurately? So here's a little video I'm going to show you how. So I'm getting about, what is it, 3 3/4. Well, let me use a micrometer. Okay, so I'm sure it's metric, but I'm getting 3.690 on this thing. All right, so I took a little center punch. Whoops. Take two. All right, so I took a little center punch here, and I've got my measurement here. And so what I'm gonna do, here, maybe I can do it this way. Let's see a little bit better. So I'm gonna make these little scratches. Not sure if you can see that on the camera or not. Is that a little scratch right there? Do the same thing at the other point here. So you get into your little center, your little point here, and it makes little scratch marks here. And so then, let's see, how did I do this? Okay, let's try it this way. So I'm gonna go from the little divot point to the edge of the hole. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Okay, so there's a couple little scratch marks here. Now all you have to do is go back to that original measurement. Let me go measure the chuck. Okay, went back and got it. It's 3.690 on the chuck. And so from here to where those two scratch marks are, it equals. Here it equals. And they equal with themselves. That's the key point. So that's how you proof it if you got it right. All right, so now I'm ready to do my center punch and drill these two holes, and that's how you locate the 3 centers accurately. It's a little bit easier if you find center first and have a divot, but I already drilled this out. So if you have not drilled your center hole and you found center with your lathe, and that's probably a little easier to do, but nevertheless, I've got some good scratch marks here. There you go, ready to drill. Okay, so I've now got it mocked up, got all these things to start, so they're all good. So yeah, that's how you locate the 3 centers using one reference point.